Welcome to Web Technology Lab Exercise 9. In this experiment, we are going to use ajax. So, ajax is nothing but asynchronous Java and XML. So, we are going to create a web page like this. So, we are going to sign up. So, suppose I have given some name, then some email address, then any password, and if we, suppose we are doing register. Now we have registered in our database. Now we want to log in. So, I am clicking username. So if we click login, so it will show login successful. So like this, we have to create a web page, and in this we have to use Ajax. Suppose I have already created one account in the from in the name of Abhijit123. So here it will, whenever I click email, then it will show username already exists. So with the help of Ajax, we have to make a web page like this. So now let's see how we can do. So in index.php, we have to make a form of method post, then action server script.php. Then we have to create some input boxes like text box, then some password box. Then we have to create a button of type submit. Then whenever we are clicking submit button, then this all these things should be posted to server script.php. Now in here we have used Ajax programming. So in script we are giving Ajax programming. So for that we have to create a variable XML HTTP. Then a new object we have to create new XML HTTP request. Then there is a function XML HTTP dot open. Then three arguments, it takes three arguments, get, then check username dot php, the location. Then here we are concatenating name equals to plus str. We are concatenating name with plus str. And then here we are giving true. Here true means synchronous or asynchronous. So we are learning ajax means asynchronous. So asynchronous we have to use, so we have to give true. So then we have to write xml http dot send, then this function will send all the details. Then here we have written xml http on ready state change equals to function. We have created a anonymous function. If this dot ready state equal to 4 and this dot status equal to 200, it means these values are predefined 4 and 200. Suppose 4 means message is already sended and server is ready to send the request, and 200 means okay. So if these two conditions satisfied, then we have to write document dot get element id text. Text is the id of the div. So here we have given id of div element as text dot inner html this dot response text. So whenever we click, uh, so here we saw whenever when I have written Abhijit123 and I clicked on this, so here we have given username Abhijit123. So whenever I click email address, then it will show this username already exists. So by the help of blur function, on blur function we can call this function check user and we can achieve that ajax functions. So in other web page, PHP pages, I have shown how to insert user in database. So in check, so in serverscript.php, I'm inserting the user details in database. So in query, I've given insert into user value, username, then password, then email. I'm inserting all these things. Then through my SQLite query, I am I'm executing the query. If the result is not equal to true, then it will show some error by using MySQL error. This from this it will show the error. Otherwise, it will show welcome username. And in password, suppose I want to change the password. So to change the password, I have to give query update user set password. This password where username equals to this. So this is the new password, and we have encrypted that password using SHA function, and we have passed the argument as $pass. So we can encrypt and we can update the password. Then in login page we are doing login. So here we have created a form with action validate login.php, and we have used the method post. And here we have given some type input boxes like of type text and password. Then I made I made a button uh, which will click and it will go to login click. So it will go to this function and automatically it will submit the form. So like this we can create a web page like this. So thank you for watching this video.